Hey, Jonathan, come on in. You made it. What's up, man? Grab a seat. Hi, Mark. Yeah, thanks. Actually, thanks for inviting me over. I know you've been busy. Of course, never too busy for a movie night. You look a bit tense, though. Everything okay? You seem a little on edge. Well, that's kind of why I wanted to talk. I needed to speak with you in person. It's about our plans for tonight. Oh, the movie night? What about it? Did you decide which terrible action movie we're watching? I am very sorry, but I want to cancel our plan. Hey, no worries at all. And just a small tip, saying I want to cancel can sound a little direct, almost like a demand. Native speakers usually soften it by saying, I need to cancel our plans, or I have to cancel tonight. It sounds more natural and less abrupt. Ah, okay, I see. So, I need to cancel our plans for tonight. Perfect. That sounds much better. So what's going on? Is everything all right? Actually, I am feeling a little bit sick. Not terrible, but not great. Just a bit of a headache and I'm feeling really run down. Oh, sorry to hear that. Yeah, that happens. Thanks for coming over to tell me in person. You could have just texted. Did you want to postpone instead? We could reschedule. Yes, maybe. I was thinking if we can move it to tomorrow. Almost. That's understandable, but to make it sound more polite and less like a demand, you'd usually say, I was wondering if we could move it to tomorrow. Using, I was wondering if, is a great way to soften a request. It turns a question into a gentle suggestion. Right. That makes sense. Softer. Okay, let me try again. I was wondering if we could move it to tomorrow. That works for me. Tomorrow evening is free. We can do it then. Oh, that's a relief. I was nervous to say this. I didn't want you to be upset. Not at all. It's totally normal. Canceling plans can feel awkward, even for native speakers. The key is how you do it. In my country, canceling plans is sometimes seen as rude, or that you are not a reliable person. Yeah, I get that. Here's a cultural tip. In most English-speaking cultures, it's usually okay to cancel as long as you give a reason and do it as early as possible. Last-minute cancellations without a good reason can be seen as flaky, but being honest and upfront, like you just were, is always appreciated. That's good to know. So, should I give a long explanation? Like, describe my headache in detail? Haha. No, not really. Short and simple is better. Something like, I'm not feeling well today, or something came up, is usually enough. You don't need to give your entire medical history. Okay, that's helpful. Actually, I almost said, I cancel the plan. I'm glad I didn't. Good catch. Yeah, that sounds a bit like a robot command. We'd say, I'm canceling the plan, using the present continuous, or I have to cancel the plan. English loves those helper verbs like am, do, and have. They make the language flow. English really loves helper verbs. It's one of the tricky parts. It does. Oh, and since we're on the topic, a quick pronunciation tip. The word cancel is pronounced cancel. Notice how the second syllable, sell, is very soft and unstressed. It's not cancel, but cancel. Cancel. Okay, I hear it now. Nice. Another one people struggle with is postpone. Postpone. The T is silent, and the stress is on the second syllable. Postpone. Postpone. I think I was saying the T before. Nailed it, see? You're a natural. So, how would you say it very casually? Like, if you were just texting a close friend? Good question. I'd probably text something like, hey, so sorry, but I'm not feeling great today. Any chance we can do this tomorrow instead? Or even more casual. Hey man, gotta take a rain check, feeling a bit under the weather? Tomorrow? Take a rain check? What is that? That sounds very relaxed. It's an idiom. It means you can't accept an offer now, but you'd like to do it later. It's super common and friendly. But honestly, the tone matters as much as the words. As long as you sound genuinely sorry and suggest another time, you're good. Okay, that's a good one to know. But what if I want to cancel completely, not postpone? Like if I just need a night to myself. In that case, you can say, I'm really sorry, but I'll have to cancel tonight. I've had a long week and need to recharge. Adding really sorry softens it, and giving a vague but honest reason like needing to recharge is perfectly fine with friends. Is it bad to say sorry too much? I feel like I say it for everything. Haha. Another great cultural tip. English speakers, especially Americans and Canadians, say sorry a lot. It's often used to mean, excuse me, or just to be polite, not always as a deep apology. It's usually fine, just don't overdo it to the point where it sounds like you lack confidence. Good, because I say sorry a lot. I think I said it when the barista gave me my coffee this morning. See? You're fitting right in then. Don't worry about it. Seriously, thanks for being so understanding, Mark. I really appreciate you explaining all this. It helps a lot. Anytime, man. That's what friends are for. Now go home and get some rest. Take care of yourself tonight. I will. So, I'll see you tomorrow then? Same time? Yeah, tomorrow works. Text me in the morning and let me know if you're feeling better. I will. Thanks again for everything. No problem, man. Feel better. So, let's do a quick recap. When you need to cancel plans, the most important things are to keep your message short, be honest about why, and always sound polite. Some really useful phrases are, I'm so sorry, but I need to cancel. Or, something's come up. Can we move it to tomorrow? And, I'm not feeling well. And don't forget the pronunciation we practiced, cancel, not cancel. And postpone, not postpone. Remember, canceling plans is a normal part of life, and it's totally okay, as long as you do it with kindness and respect for the other person's time.